Love, I asked her who she felt. Then she went and put that booty on that Gucci belt. She ain't got no cable. She don't got no bedframe. She don't got no tables. We just watching Netflix. She ain't got no cable. Okay, don't.
First thing we're going in with is this vanilla lotion. Just a disclaimer, the only person I'm gonna place and chill with is my husband. 20 years in the making, baby. To conceal all those blemishes. Just gonna use my finger. This is long lasting, because if you're Netflix and chilling, you're gonna need some long lasting makeup if it goes the way he or you plan. To go in with this Bare Minerals, you know it's probably in every video. Why am I so red here? Whatever. Anyways, I'm just gonna go over those dots. Plus, this is also gonna make that concealer that's a little bit lighter match my skin tone a little bit better. I'm covering that, like, I think I got bit or scratched by a dog. That's what I think it was. And if we're gonna be Netflix and chilling, we need to have nice bright under eyes. So I am going in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD. This is super, super, super cheap. I think it's like $3. And it really gets the job done. And it has like a yellow tint to it for us olive skin chicks. Double it up as an eye primer. You're having a Netflix and chill night. That guy, he's probably already on his way. He is waiting by the door. Set the under eyes back with that Bare Minerals. I mean, we're keeping this as simple as possible. Just so it won't crease. We're not adding too much. We can go ahead and put it on top of our eyes. On the sides of our nose. Go ahead and do these bad boys up camera, my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. My eyebrows. Make sure you use a good waterproof, smudge-proof brow. Mermaids Forever palette by Makeup Revolution. Here's what I'm gonna do to contour. This little tiny brush, and I'm gonna go into a brown that they have in this palette right here. This cool tone brown. And guess what? That's gonna be my contour. Nice and easy. What if you're going to his place and you can only pack a little tiny bag and you do your makeup in the car because you're rushing over or whatever? We gotta go. I feel like every video I gotta go somewhere, you know? Netflix and chill with my husband tonight. We'll probably really watch the movie. Will you guys? Cringy. Cringe. Take that around my forehead. You know how we do it. All right, snatched. All right, now we're gonna go right into the eyes since we have the palette open. You know, as always, I'm faithful to this Luxie double-sided brush because I don't have to get too many brushes. I'm gonna go into this transition shade right here, this soft pink. I'm just gonna put it in my crease and blend it out. Just above my crease. This is gonna be what we call the transition shade. This palette was real cheap and, oh God, I'm blinding you guys. This palette was real cheap and affordable. I'm gonna go into this olive color right here, this like light olive color, and I'm gonna put it right on top of that transition shade. Get a little bit more, that light olive matte. It's a matte color. There's a lot of shimmers in this palette. Now the lower part of the brush is gonna make for easier blending. Crease shade right here, it's another matte. And we're gonna go right in here. Then on the other side, these are really good shadows. I think this palette cost me $6.99, and these are blending like a dream. I'm gonna go back into that lighter shade again and go over that crease. Then I'm gonna go in with this darker olive green color and bring it closer to the lid, right up to about right here. Bring it halfway into the lid and mostly concentrating on my crease and the outer V. Ugly makeup faces. Crack myself up. We're gonna go into our lid color with our finger. I'm gonna go into this very shimmery olive color. Do you guys see that? And we're gonna pop it right on the lid. The comment section down below if you want me to swatch this entire palette, I totally will. Since all I had was a Q-tip, I am gonna go into this gold color right here. This is a beautiful shimmery color. I'm gonna take it right on my upper brow line. Look at that, isn't that pretty? And I bet you know where else we're going. We're going into this white, and you know where that's going. All right there. This Mario Badescu spraying powder that I love so much. Mario Badescu's setting spray. Powder, yeah, powder and spray. Anyhow, give that a couple sprays. Looking nice and dewy. I bet my daughter's watching this now like, cringe, ma, cringe. Jenner highlighter in the color French Vanilla. I'm using my Benefit fan brush. And we are gonna, oh my gosh, so beautiful. I was using this like every day when it first came out, and then I stopped using it and I forgot how much I love it. What's your favorite highlighter shade? Let me know. I mean, why not? Spray one more time since we have the highlighter on. Today I'm using the Marc Jacobs waterproof mascara. What if we watch a sad movie? I doubt you guys will be even watching a movie. Lower lash line. Blush. Be a Sweet Peach. I was thinking about going in with NARS Orgasm and I was like, no. Into that with this little same brush we used before. I forgot to put this before the highlighter, but I just want to put this like right between the highlighter and the contour. That's it. It smells so good. I'm gonna Netflix and chill and things end up going good. You're gonna need a lipstick that's gonna last, okay? That's why I chose the Kylie Jenner Kit Immune. Here, smells so good, stays on all day. But without looking like a buffoon, these lip kits actually make your lips look bigger. This is the finished look. I hope you like it. Taking our hair down if that's what you thought. You don't want any hair in the way. Okay, with that note, I'm gonna go. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Love you guys so much. Bye. Have fun tonight.